Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 230,000 miles on it. It come out of Oklahoma, so it's a rust-free truck, one owner, belonged to a railroad. It's got 11-foot maintainer bed with a 3,500-pound maintainer crane, hydraulic outriggers, hydraulic air compressor. It's got an open deck for a welder, like a Trailblazer, Bobcat, something like that. Really nice truck overall. Let's walk around and take a look at it. Crane and outriggers right back here. This does slide forward. Outriggers down. Starting to rain on me here. Obviously it does more than what I'm showing you the basic functions, and it works like it should. There's a whole wireless remote here. Air compressor. Pull the outriggers back up. Slide does have a little bit of damage right here, probably caused by the crane. And there's some damage here in the floor of this bin. Touch up here. Radio works, AC's working. All right, if you're interested in this truck, you can give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can actually call or text. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Gonna be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher. What we'll do is post it on our board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to New York or California or Wisconsin, anywhere where you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it as soon as you pay. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. A few things factor into it, so just keep that in mind. You know, I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up here, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person. But at the end of the day, normally 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. If you want to come pick it up in person, you're obviously welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. Won't be able to see the truck. It has to be certified funds, which is going to be a check that's a cashier's check or a bank check from the bank. Not one of your checks that you write. Has to be a cashier's check if you're bringing a check, so keep that in mind. All right, if you're interested, you can give me a call or text, like I said, 256-310-6852. Again, this is a 12 F550, two-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke, 229,000 miles, 11-foot maintainer body, 3,500 pound crane, hydraulic outriggers, hydraulic air compressor, 2 sets of toolboxes, rust-free truck, really clean, but as I always say, still a used truck. Keep that in mind. It ain't new. So if you want a new one, you got to go spend the probably, I don't know, 100 and I'd say this truck's probably 150 or 160. So you're going to buy this one significantly less than that. So keep that in mind. All right. Thanks for watching.